Let's see what's the other side. Yeah, nice. See that one? Look at over there. That's nice, though. Woo! That's awesome. Move that car.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
You don't see the clear with it, to see the lights on. The lights on is nice. That's the storm, you know that?
What's wrong?
Lead.
Is the lead coming in now?
Here's the lead. Go to the lead. Go there.
It's not stopping. Look at it.
It's still going.
Huh?
See that?
It's still going.
It went straight.
Yeah, look at that. That side is better. You go over here, guys. You go here. Get out right.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
South right there. South over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, did I say it? Come on.
Right.